to Virtual Art Classes with the Norfolk Art Center. I'm Sarah Petters, and today's class is a teenager class. Really any age can do this, but this is really an activity that is enjoyed by the teenagers that visit the Art Center. So let's go ahead and get started walking through the materials that we'll need for a fall Zentangle project. So first you're just gonna need a blank piece of paper. Any paper will work. It works better if it doesn't have lines, but if all you have is lined paper, that'll do. And then I've got this super full pack of gel pens. So to do this activity, you can do it with virtually any material. So you could use ballpoint pens, you could use pencils, you could use gel pens, markers, colored pencils, whatever you have on hand will work for this activity. However, we've got these cool pens, so I'm gonna go ahead and use them. So for this activity, the first place you're gonna start is by just drawing a shape, any shape. Whether you want it to be a circle or a square or a pumpkin or a leaf or whatever you wanna start off with for your page. And then from there, a Zentangle is really just a group of varying lines and designs and shapes all put together in different colors to create the project. So with that, let's go ahead and get started creating together. Okay, so as you can see, I've kind of gotten started on this Zentangle project already to give you a good idea of what a Zentangle actually entails and what it looks like. This is sort of the first three sections. I chose to do a little pumpkin because this is a fall activity. So I'm doing a pumpkin and I chose some fall related colors. So lots of browns, orange, red, couple pops of blue in there. So pick a pattern for each section of whatever shape you decided to draw and stick with that pattern for the entire section that you're drawing. So I've sectioned out my pumpkin into three, well actually 5, I guess, sections, and chosen a different pattern direction to go for each section. So I'm gonna keep going here and kind of see what else we can come up with, and I will show you the finished product when we're all done.
Thank you for joining us for this virtual art experience. We're excited to bring you these videos and bring people in the arts together. Consider supporting our ongoing efforts by purchasing a membership today. Receive benefits like discounted tickets to classes and events, a monthly newsletter, and more. Click on the link in the description, call, or stop by the Norfolk Art Center.